Hi, my name's Dale Yamada, owner-operator of MJK Performance. MJK Performance specializes in bolt-on componentry on touring bikes, baggers. I wanted a chopper, like a handmade motorcycle, but I couldn't afford a shop to make me one, so I went and made my own. Everything started out of my garage. I didn't know where it was going to take off from there. I just wanted to start somewhere. When you evolve, you see things that you want to conquer, but you have to have certain machines to help you with that, to get that look or to get that feel. That's when I came about the CNC, wanting a CNC machine. So in March of 2016, I desperately needed some CNC machine work done on a particular part to build a motorcycle that I was making. And that's when I met Phil Butterworth through social media. We tried Fusion in the very beginning as a trial basis, and I didn't know how to program. I still don't know how to properly program. I'm learning off of Phil, so it's ridiculously easy to use. And he's teaching me, and I've never had any programming experience whatsoever. As soon as people found out I had a CNC machine and we started designing these parts, it was like opening floodgates. Couldn't believe how fast it took off. We purchased the Herco, then we purchased the Herco Turning Center, and things kept going so rapid and so quickly, we had to think about getting a new facility. That's where we are now. As soon as we moved in here, we already have plans to get another machine, a pallet machine, so we can produce more parts, multiple parts, and utilize our time better. There's only two of us, so time is everything. My first motorcycle I ever wanted to build, I envisioned in my head. And that vision was quickly demolished by people that had their own thoughts and desires of what they wanted, not able to cater to what I wanted to do. If you got enough want and enough desire and enough passion towards something, anything's obtainable. Especially when we have like today's software, today's machines, today's technology that's moving so rapidly. You can take advantage of all these things if you just open up your mind and put all that effort towards it.